How's it going, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the date and time on your iPhone. So, I'm going to go to settings. Mine is right here, but you can always just swipe down from the middle of your screen like so. Type in the word settings, and the icon appears right here. Just click on that. And we're going to scroll down right here where it says general. Click on that. And then we're going to scroll down right here where it says date and time. Hit on that. Okay, so as you can see right now, it says it is set to automatically. Okay, we're going to click here to disable that. And now we have the ability to choose an actual date and a time that we want. So right now it is actually December 14th, 2022. But if for whatever reason we want to change it, we can click right here. And as you can see, the calendar appears. And for this example, let's just say that we want to choose that it's the 1st of December. So we're going to click here. And we're going to click anywhere where it's blank, like here. Okay, so now that we selected that it's the 1st of December, we can go and actually check. I'm going to swipe up from the bottom of my screen so we can go to the menu. And if you can see right here in my calendar, it says 1st. I'm going to click on that. As you can see, the calendar shows that it's 1st of December, which is not true, but that's a manual option that we selected. Now, I'm going to head back to settings. And as you can see, we also have the option right here to change the time. The actual time, the real time, is 4:18 p.m. I'm going to click on that. And for this example, let's just say we want to choose that it's 5 o'clock. So we set the time, click somewhere right here. And I'm going to go to my home screen again. Let's swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Okay, so as you can see right here, it says it's 5. It's not true, but that's what we selected. Now, I'm going to go back to settings. Now, if we want to go back to get the time automatically, we just click here where it says set automatically, like so. And as you can see, the time right here says 4:20, which is the actual real time. And let's go check the calendar. As you can see, it says 14 Wednesday, which is the real date. So I hope that was helpful, guys. Please like and subscribe so I can continue to give you more good tips like these.